scary moments here. Ghost stories for Halloween. I don't know if I have like any specific stories. I know there used to be this window. Well, obviously the window's still there. But there's this window and the light was always on. I'd say it was, I'm on the first floor right now. I'd say it was about 6 stories up, 6 floors up. And the light is just always on. And every single time we go to find this room, we can't find it. It's so weird. And then we swear one night while we were, I think it was after a podcast that I was doing a couple years back. Like, Bobby and I swear by it that we saw something in that window. And yeah, ever since then, we just called this place haunted. Am I the ghost? I'm definitely pale enough to be the ghost. That is for sure. JXM, was that on Warm Life? That probably was it. I didn't know if that was on Warm Life or not. That's funny. Someone's secret grow room. You know what's funny is so the new building that we're at right now is called the Reed and Barton. And the last building we were in, we just call it Sherwood because that was the street that it was on. And it is now being used to grow marijuana. Pretty funny. It's a perfect place to grow marijuana because the ceilings are always leaking. And it's just kind of like a shitty little spot. So you could probably get it for cheap. Anywho. J-Vault collab with the weed growers. So here's the thing. Why? Just why? We tried doing it with our neighbors and it didn't work out. Optimistic about the future? As am I. As am I. I don't know if that was just a general statement or if that was in reference to something, Paul. How's the PAX party planning going? I have no idea. That's something that Bobby is riding out himself. He is convinced that enough people will buy tickets to go to his party. Maybe it's just because I'm humble. I personally don't think there'll be enough people that would want to buy tickets to this party. But hey, man, it's only one way to find out, I guess. Love to have a Wormwood stash box / rolling tray. I would too. I think it'd be great. I don't really smoke. Anymore. Like I will if it's around. I mainly just take. I have a dispensary next to my place that does these nice little edibles. They're like 5 milligrams each. They're perfect. Take one of those before bed. It's cheeky. Paul, you coming to Germany for Spiel? I probably am not. Or maybe I will. I don't know. I've been traveling a lot this year. So maybe... Oh, wait, no, I can't because that is the same weekend as TwitchCon. It'll be my first TwitchCon as a partner. And my first TwitchCon with having some some cool friends in the industry. So I would like to meet up with them. People like Shroud. I don't know if he's gonna be there. Pay Money Wubby. Some like people we're working with and stuff. Yeah, Shinjaneda. I 100% agree.